9 Hyundai Sonata. 4 cylinders, known for knocking issues and spinning bearings and all that. So I was able to take the oil pump to the side without removing it or remove the chain or anything, and I put pressure between the bearing here for the piston to see which one was knocking, as I couldn't tell when the car was running, but it was knocking so bad. So I was applying pressure from here and here to see if there is any end play. I checked all the pistons and they were all tight except this one here. When I put the pressure, the piston just goes back and forth. And as you can see, this is the old bearings. They were just spun around and they were just sitting there. They're all chewed, man. They're all gone. So they're just pieces of metal now. As you can see, they're all screwed up. So I was able to just knock them down with a screwdriver, and I did buy 2 pieces of line that fit the same car, and I was able to push the piston up and slide the one on the top and get it in there with some engine assembly grease, so it was tight. Then I pushed the piston back and just held it with the pliers like this, longer ones, and pushed it back down. Just make sure you don't push it too high that you cannot reach it. And the bottom one was easier, just snap it on it and put some grease in here and put back the piston and tighten the bolts. So now I did tighten the bolts and torque them. Now we're gonna put a pry bar here and just check for play and see if there is any play. You don't need that much pressure to actually check. So I'm just gonna put the pry bar here as I did before, and you push and you push again. Okay, so it seems like it's tight. Before it just goes from left to right, like it was like definitely bad one. So I'm gonna well, I did torque those already. I'm gonna just push the oil pump back and make sure that the chain drops back in here. I'm gonna spin the engine a couple times to make sure everything is right here, and we're gonna go ahead and put some silicone on the oil pump oil pan and put it back on, put oil, clean the screen, change the filter, and hopefully it'll get fixed. So we'll see.